Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Introduction to Industry 4.0, week 4th, assignment 4th. So the first question is, which of the following components of cybersecurity focuses on maintaining the availability, integrity and confidentiality of business data? So these are the option: network security, operational security, information security and user education. So let's check the answer of our first question. So, question first: elementary of cybersecurity, information security, maintain the availability, integrity, and confidentiality of business data. So, the answer of our first question is C, information security. Now, the second question is, network security combines multiple layer of defenses at which location? So, these are the option. And now, let's check the answer of our second question. Question second: network security. It combines multiple layer of defenses at the edge and in the network. So, the answer of our second question is A, at the edge and in the network. Now the third question is, why are IIoT security standard required, especially when diverse systems and equipment are integrated on a smart factory floor. So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our third question. Question third: industries will need to use diverse systems and equipment. Everything will be integrated on smart factory floor. Every weak line in the chain puts whole factory at risk. Leaving security at the hand of individual IIoT implementers is dangerous. So the answer of our third question is B. Now the fourth question is, in IIoT, where are sensors and actuators primarily used compared to traditional automation? So let's check the answer of our fourth question. Question fourth: in IIoT, sensors and actuators are used almost everywhere to control, enhance, and optimize various functions. So the answer of our fourth question is B, almost everywhere to control, enhance, and optimize various functions. Now the fifth question is, in the mining industry, how do sensor network with a gas sensors, strata monitoring device, and RFID tags contribute to safety and efficiency? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of fifth question. Mining industry, early disaster warning, working condition of the miners, locating and monitoring miners. So the answer of our fifth question is D. Now the sixth question is, who coined the term industrial internet? So these are the option: IBM, General Electric, Intel, Siemens. So let's check the answer of sixth question. Question six: General Electric GE coined the term industrial internet. So the answer of our sixth question is B, General Electric. Now the seventh question is, what are the three key element of the industrial internet? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our seventh question. Question 7: the industrial internet, it has three key elements: intelligent machines, advanced analytics, people at work. So the answer of our seventh question is B. Now the eighth question is, in a milk package unit, how is flow measured? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B. Via a spinning impeller that sends signal when milk flows. Now the ninth question is, which component is responsible for converting analog data to digital data in a smart sensor node? So these are the option: process, memory, ADCA, DAC. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. Question 9: sensor, analog, ADCA. So the answer of our ninth question is C, ADCA. Now the 10th question is, in the context of the agriculture industry, what is the primary use of a smart sensor like soil and water sensor? So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our 10th question. Question 10: soil and water sensor for accurate use of fertilizers and determining crop health, crop sensors. So the answer of our 10th question is D. Now the 11th question is, fill in the blanks. The Thames Water's smart water management system as an example of industrial process 4.0 operation efficiency primarily benefits from dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our 11th question. 11th question: Thames water sensor based equipment status monitoring, failure detection. So the answer of our 11th question is B. Now the 12th question is, fill in the blanks. Interoperability in the design philosophy of IIoT for industrial processes refer to dash. So these are the option, and let's check the answer of our 12th question. Question 12: facilitation communication between heterogeneous object, interoperability. So the answer of our 12th question is B, facilitating communication between heterogeneous objects. Now the 13th question is, In the 5C architecture of cyber physical systems, what does the conversion layer do? So these are the option, and the answer of our 13th question is A. Interpret sensors data for information. Now the 14th question is state true or false. In the case of spear phishing, the attackers sends thousands of deceitful emails that resemble actual emails from credible sources, while email phishing attacks are targeting to a specific person or organization to obtain sensitive information. So the answer of our 14th question is B, false. Which of the now 15th question is which of the following statement is incorrect about the CIA trade in network and computer system security? So these are the options, and let's check the answer of our 15th question. So 15th question, CIA trade. I integrity. Integrity ensures that data cannot be changed in any unauthorized manner. So the answer of our 15th question is B. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.